Okay, what we'll be looking at today is the Ryobi half-inch hammer drill driver, model number P214. So let's get at it. Okay, I picked this up at Home Depot on sale for $49. It's regularly $69. And let's put the battery in it. Go over some features it has. It's a 2-speed. First speed, it goes from 0 to 375 RPMs with up to 5,600 blows per minute. Second speed is 0 to 1,600 RPMs with up to 24,000 blows per minute. And the weight is 3.2 pounds. It's got variable trigger. You get your LED light, bit holder here, magnet tray. And let's see, you got your 16 position clutch. And I like this feature. I mean, this drill is a hammer drill, plus you can use it for, right here is in the hammer mode. It's hard to see it though. They should have colored these in. You can see it in person, but I don't know if you can if the camera can pick it up. It might be reflecting. There's a little like hammer here and screw here and drill here. So this is all the way over is the drill mode. In the middle right there would be screw mode. So I mean, it's like almost like a 3-in-1 drill. Pretty cool. And let's see how this handle goes on. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put it on this way. You get this long bolt, fits right in there, and it's shaped. You can put it on either side. Put this in, and once you put it in, it's fitted in there. It's a hex, molded into a hex shape there. So you put this on. If you're doing some real heavy duty stuff, this handle will come in handy. Yeah. And let's see, any other features about this you should know about? You could put a strap here, I guess, if you wanted to. Doesn't come with one though. I just got the bare tool. I mean, sometimes you can get a kit and get the battery and charger, but I've got batteries and I've got the charger, so I just got the bare tool. You know, I say we go out in the garage and see what this thing can do. Okay, the first thing I'll try is drilling into this 4x4 with this half-inch drill bit. And I've got it in the drill mode. Let's try it out. Yeah, not bad. Probably hit a knot there. Alright, that does it pretty easy. Let's try a 3/4 inch spade bit. Okay, let's try this out. not bad. I got it on speed too, also. Try some screws. Be nice if this isn't too still, so it's kind of hard for me, but I have to put this in drill mode. Yeah, I can't do it there because the angle. Let me try it over here. Well, you can tell I'm not a carpenter. I can't push on this because of the drill. Nah, see, I don't have this down good, you know. It's moving on me, so it's not a fair test. Put this back in drill mode. That's hot. Try that again. It's a hard piece of wood. So I don't want to start. Yeah, this whole thing lifts up. Can't do it. I'm going to try it on the floor after. Let's try the mason bit. Try drilling into this cement cinder block. That would help. Okay. Put it in hammer position. And let's see. Not bad. This is a 3/8 bit, by the way. Yeah, not bad. Let me set this piece of wood on the floor. Be right back. Okay, these are 2.5-inch screws. Let's try it this time on here. I can get it started. Okay, that's started. That's not too bad. Try another one. It's not bad. You know, I'm not very good at this. This is a hard piece of wood, and these are probably not the right screws for this anyway. These are drywall screws, but hey, I think it's a pretty good tool. $49. Not bad for 49 bucks. And at the time I'm making this video, they're still on sale. It really shines though through the cinder block. It went through that pretty easily. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.